In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a customer sign-in link or icon in your Shopify store header. First, we'll use the quickest method, which is simply turning it on in your store settings. From your Shopify admin, open Settings, then select Customer Accounts. Look for the Sign-in Links area and switch on the option labeled Show Sign-in Links. Shopify saves this change automatically, so there's nothing else to click here. Now head back to your storefront in a new tab and refresh the page. If your theme supports it, you should see a person icon or a login link appear in the header. If you don't see it right away, try a hard refresh in your browser. Also remember, some themes place this link inside a menu or compact it on mobile, so check both desktop and mobile views. If the icon still doesn't appear, it likely means your theme isn't outputting that link by default. In that case, you'll add it directly to your theme code. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your current theme, click the three dots, and choose Edit Code. As a best practice, consider duplicating your theme before editing so you have a safe backup. In the code editor, open the Sections folder and locate the file named header.liquid. This is the file that controls what displays in your header area. Decide where you want the sign-in link to live. Near the shopping cart icon is a common spot, because customers expect account and cart controls together. Place your cursor there and add the sign-in link snippet provided by Shopify or your theme's documentation. This snippet typically outputs a link or icon to the customer account login. Once you've added it, click Save. Now preview your store and refresh the page to confirm the link or icon shows up. If you still don't see it, your theme may use a different header file or a header group. Use the search bar in the editor to look for other header-related files, then add the same snippet in the correct spot and save again. Also, check whether your theme has a hidden header block in the theme editor that needs to be enabled. That's it. You've either enabled the sign-in link from settings or added it directly to your header code. Test the link to make sure it leads to your account login page, and review on mobile to confirm it's easy for customers to find. This small addition makes sign-in faster and helps customers access orders, addresses, and saved information with confidence.